So on Thursday night we have 4 new little kittens to join the family. A little black one, an orange one peeking through, Tabby. They're all beautiful. They're all snuggly up to each other. And there's Mom, KittenBitten, that's her name. And this is a little Tabby. It's struggling, it's having a hard time. And here they are, all eating. The little Tabby one, it's up there next to Mom. That's its favorite spot. Here's the little black one, little orange one. The Tabby one is a little girl. That little black one there, it's a girl. The orange one, it's a little boy. And then the little one on the end here to the right, it's a boy. Well, there's 2 girls and 2 boys. They're just as soft as they can be. They're adorable. They're going to town. I just thought I would share them with everyone. So everyone see them. I hope everyone's having a good day.